for being here, and we hope you enjoy your South Trading Post experience.
Libre nyo? Libre nyo?
Neng, wala nang libre ngayon. 50-50. 50-50.
For hours and hours while I listen to you play your love song.
Ano mangyayari?
34 tickets.
34! Wow! Ang so galing!
Rest your head just
Bye bye! Hi, bye!
the windows are illuminated.
Hindi, okay lang yan! Sabi mo, na-extend! 4 daw kasi uwi niya.
Through them fiery gems for you. Only for you.
Guys, where are we going?
Where
are we going?
House is a very, very, very fine house with two cats in the yard. Life used to be so hard. Now everything is easy 'cause of you.
Uy, Diyos, ayaw maglaro ka naman! Ano tawag mo sa amin? Ano tawag mo sa amin? Bagay sa ito. Uy, ka... Okay, video natin to.
Is a very, very, very fine house with two
Na
cats
para bang
in
anong
the yard.
pinapakabayan natin dito?
Life used to be so hard. Now everything is easy 'cause of you.
Anong pinapatunayan natin? Deep talk na. O, tara na dito. Dito tayo magdi-deep talk. Kasi, so, what the fuck? Ayun, may sarili siyang
While
kanta.
you place the flowers in the vase that you bought
Pangit yung gantong pwesto.
today.
Oh, yak yan! Alam, may sariling mundo yung dalawa. Uy! Hoy, Josiah! Nasaan na yun? Hoy, dinig ka! Parang tatay ko lang ah.
Who are on the road must have a code that you can live by, and so become yourself, because the past is just a goodbye.
Parang medyo nakaka-offend.
Teach the children well, their father's hell did slowly go by, and feed them on your dream, the one they picked, the one you know by. Don't you ever ask them why, if they told you you would cry. So just look at them and say